Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to hide all tools in Adobe Acrobat. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Adobe Acrobat and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left, we have recent files, start files, Adobe Cloud Storage, agreements, and other file storage. From here, you can add the file storage. So if you're here in the recent section, you're gonna find recommended tools for you. And if you want to see all of the tools, just click on see all tools. And then you're gonna be able to see all of the tools. And if you want to search for any tools, you can just go to the search bar and search for the tool that you want. Right here under work with the PDF now, you're gonna find open file. And you can choose any file that you want from your computer to work with. For example, I'm gonna choose this PDF. And here in the right, we have share, request a signature, edit a PDF, export a PDF, organize pages, add comments, and fill and sign. So I'm going to click on edit a PDF. And then right here, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to edit your PDF. Right here in the top, we have these sections like all tools, edit, convert, and sign. So for example, if you want to remove all tools, just go to this little X icon and you're going to find close all tools. If you click on it, as you can see guys, right now we removed all tools. So right now, if you want to unhide it, here in the top, you're going to find these sections. Just click on all tools or any section and you will unhide it. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.